What's up guys, Sal here. So ever since the inception of the Galaxy Note series, Samsung sold only one Galaxy Note at a time. That however changed last year when Samsung launched two Galaxy Notes, the Galaxy Note 10 and Note 10 Plus. Earlier this year, Samsung dropped the E variant from the Galaxy S series and decided to introduce an Ultra variant that took things to another level with the super-sized Galaxy S20 Ultra. A rumor had suggested last month that Samsung may not release an Ultra version of the Galaxy Note 20 and instead there would be only Note 20 and Note 20 Plus. But surprisingly, there's now evidence pointing to the existence of the Galaxy Note 20 Ultra. The evidence comes from a Bluetooth certification that clearly mentions the name the Galaxy Note 20 Ultra. Now, at first glance, you would assume there would be three Galaxy Note 20 variants like the S20 series. But that's not the case in my opinion. The model number here, SM986U, is also associated previously with the Note 20 Plus. So while it's possible that the firm actually has a third Note 20 variant in the works, I strongly believe that Samsung will just rebrand the Galaxy Note 20 Plus to Note 20 Ultra instead. In any case, the Note 20 Ultra will be better than the S20 Ultra in a lot of cases. Display, processor, and camera are the three main areas where it will see big improvements. Though it will see a downgrade in the battery capacity, the new LTPO display and the Exynos 992 processor will make sure to nullify that by being less resource hungry. The Galaxy S20 Ultra has the best camera specs on paper that have ever been put on a smartphone, such as the 108-megapixel main camera, a periscope zoom camera, and 8K recording. Now, Ice Universe spilled some beans on what exactly the Galaxy Note 20 Ultra will offer in terms of camera. First up, Samsung is ditching the 100x zoom feature on the Note 20 Ultra, which we know already. But Ice Universe revealed that the Note 20 Ultra will have 50 times zoom instead. I'd be happy to see Samsung dial back on this. The 100x zoom was just a digital zoom and takes crappy pictures. It's a rare admission of defeat on Samsung's end that its marquee feature didn't hit the right notes. So I'm glad that they are focusing on improving the hybrid zoom instead rather than gimmicky digital zoom. Moving on, the Note 20 Ultra will have the same main camera as the S20 Ultra, and that is 108 megapixel. The secondary camera will be 12 megapixel ultra wide, again same as the S20 Ultra, but the periscope zoom camera will see a major change. Instead of a 48 megapixel camera, Samsung will use a 13 megapixel telephoto lens. That would be a big drop in resolution, but that's not necessarily a bad thing. This suggests Samsung may have decided better low light quality was more important than more megapixels. Furthermore, the Note 20 will ditch the time-of-flight sensor in favor of a laser sensor, which is a nice move as the autofocus issue on the S20 Ultra plagued a lot of units, and that is not acceptable for a device that costs $1,400. So hopefully the laser autofocus doesn't bring the same issues on the Note 20 Ultra. Of course, with that being said, there's still a lot to hear about what features we would see on the Galaxy Note 20 lineup, so stay tuned for more leaks and rumors as we inch towards the Note 20's expected release date. And as always, I'll see you tomorrow. Peace out.